Go! Run, Black Cat! Run! What? Jeez. Really? Red light, run.
Kids in the youth group who dated, I don't recall ever seeing them
really
doing more than hold hands, and they were a little more fringe.
But the big things that we're talking about.
Oh, that's from the center lane.
That we knew about were the giving away of underage girls.
To answer your question, though, literally, 90% of my emails are hate about those books because people are thinking that I'm trying to.
Yeah, I saw that. Right turn lane.
They say
Doing your research or thinking for yourself. It's not that we automatically blindly trust.
Red light, run up there.
I think you need to know the right formulation and be able to know
Red light,
how
run.
to put it together.
Good setup for the rest of the broadcast as we talk about pseudoscience, bad science, non-existent
forces that shape those decisions, and part of it was it's a little bit of a Trojan horse book because what I'm trying to do is use it to talk about those social forces and to how.
Yeah, so I don't even know where to begin, man. Let's do my little run. I was in Portland, Oregon. I think Auburn, Washington, Vancouver.
Really? Now you turn your lights on?
And
You're supposed to turn your lights on before you stop.
In a park. The first one at like 4:30 in the afternoon, like I was fucking Paul Simon. I felt so bad for the people in the crowd. By the way,
Target, just like a standard Target fishbowl, but maybe you need to go to one of like the specialist pet supply stores.
Really?
Oh, yeah. I mean, the fishbowl inverted on your.
Here, there isn't any pressure putting on your body, so that lack of pressure is actually going to make all your
red light, run.
Basically become gas.
And another red light, run.
You're going to boil in space pretty quickly.
Wow. A good engineering project will always have trade-offs. I mean, that's part of it. How to become clever as an engineer is figure out how to minimize the trade-off, but you're always giving up something. So Matt, just a couple more minutes.
In this week, James Smith from Indianapolis says, "I wonder if the smart suit
Really?
has any other utilization out of space. Could a football player or swimmer, for example, take components from your invention and use them in their suits?"
Man, they've been busy. And I'm going to just quickly round up.
That might be a red light, run.
Of their
I'll double check.
They're the perfect.
It's 1990, Milan, Italy. Maurizio Gucci sits in his office, a bevy of spreadsheets strewn across his desk.
No stop. The Volvo didn't stop. No stop. Pedo van. Go! Run, Black Cat! Run! No stop over there.
As a parent, as somebody who feels like they're losing control of everything,
Red light, run.
it is.
You didn't stop there. I don't know if I could use that or not.
Critical thinking. And if I can't agree with you on little things, how can I agree with you on big things? Wow, that's fun. Welcome questioning.
Hey,
how are you? All right, how are you?
Good Sunday, so overall good.
Cool, what do you got?
Okay, sure. So where I agree with you guys is on, like, not agree exactly, but what good person? Yeah, it's like if you there's different ways that I talking about just the conversation.
There was another one. Fuck.
Responses or objection that right, he's on mission, but the future might be just going to be open, right? I don't know if they make the claim that he knows.
No, stop.
Necessarily knows the future, but.
Hello?
Hi, this is Jennifer from Dealer Servicing. Your file
risk of
losing coverage.
That interpretation. But then she says this, and you guys need to hear this. Yes, that situation, the doctor, the family, the individual closest to that will make the decisions as far as this can be pushed. There is also a law, I don't know if I threw it in the notes or not, but there's a law that was recently passed in Florida that university attendees in Florida, attendees and employees of the university.
It kind of explains the fact that he has also previously expressed sympathy.
There's a car
for
coming.
women who have chosen or needed. I'm adding needed. I think they like it. You hear them kind of saying like they're kind of cheering after someone.
It's red light run over
They
there.
got a little quiet for a second. Be in Lubbock, Dallas, San Antonio, Houston, Minneapolis, Ontario, and more.
Honey.
All those details.
Oh, good, I didn't hit it. It's fine. There's cars coming. New Hampshire. I'm sure they have the same law there. You gotta yield to them. They're coming at us. Hey, what? Come on. Okay, there's the sign. Now get ready. No, trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is a construction zone and we just passed a sign that says no trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there even though it's only 2 lanes. Oh well, those are the rules. Cry me a river. No trucks in the left lane or trailers in this case here. Well, anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me for more videos. Yay! Okay, bye.